All right, if you're trying to get funded with prop firms, make sure you guys stick to the end of this video, and I will show you the secret hack on how you can get funded on FTMO or any of the other leading prop firms and become a profitable trader in less than 1 month. So for FTMO, you can see that Phase 1 is 10%, Phase 2 is 5%. Their rules are actually a little bit stricter than the other prop firms. So for example, if I go to Fund the Next, their two-step challenge is 8% on profit on Phase 1 and 5% on Phase 2. Another favorite prop firm that our members are using that is actually highly listed on propfirmmatch.com is Funding Pips on their 100K challenge. It is also very similar to Fund the Next, 8% on Phase 1 and 5% on Phase 2 as well. Most of the prop firms have very similar rules, whether it's Funding Pips, the 5%ers, E8 markets. I'm going to show you guys exactly how you guys can pass both phases and be in profit in less than 1 single month. So right now, this is a 200K account. On my desktop, I have our FX Goliath trading software installed on it. And so far, the overall profits that it's done is $486,000 in total profits in about 10 months. So this FX Goliath bot trades 3 different pairs: gold, pound dollar, and euro dollar. And it takes about 3 trades per day. And I'll show you guys exactly how long it will probably take and become a profitable trader using this bot. And if I go to the last month, so just during the past month, it's done about $41,000. This was the last trading day, which was Friday. So it's been exactly 1 month. The profits are exactly the same, $41,574. And it has strict stop losses so that you do not need to worry about blowing any of your accounts. So the 4th was the first trading day. And you can see the wins and the risk management built into this EA, making the losses small. We have so much built-in risk management algorithms. So the bot tries to keep the losses small. And when it detects that there's a change in direction, it will actually cut the losses so that you guys will not go into any kind of serious drawdown. However, you do not need to worry because the max stop loss is set at 1.5%. That is the kill switch. If you guys lose more than 1.5% on any given day, then it will automatically go into a stop loss. Here's a loss for $704, and then here's a win for $2,368. So for the month of May, we did about $41,000, and let's see what that would mean. On the hardest prop firm challenge, Phase 1 is 10% and Phase 2 is 5%. And like I said, Fund the Next and Funding Pips was a little bit easier, 8% and 5%. So if I pull out my calculator and let's say that this is a 200K account, then first phase, $20,000 profit target that you would actually need to hit. And then on Phase 2, you would have to hit the 5%, which would be another $10,000. So the overall profits that you would need to make on both phases is exactly $30,000. Now, this bot has done 20% in exactly 1 month, like I showed you. So this is exactly 1 month. In 1 month, you would have already passed Phase 1 and Phase 2 of your challenge and still be in a profit of about $10,000. You do not need to stare at charts, map out trend lines, map out support and resistance, because this automated trading software does everything for you. So in exactly 1 month, you would have already passed both phases and become a profitable trader. And this is how our members are able to make consistent profits like this. This is one of the client's accounts. I'm going to show you guys the analysis on our FX Goliath version number 6. But just by using this EA, you would have already been a 7-figure trader, just like this member right here, funded across all of these different prop firms. This FX Goliath bot is designed exclusively for prop firms. Again, it takes 1 to 5 trades per day. Max stop loss is 1.5%, all hands-free, and you guys can use it across all of your favorite prop firms. And this is how this bot has been able to maintain the accounts for this long. There has never been any kind of serious drawdown. I'll show you guys the drawdown. Let's see right here, 72.9 to 71.9. 81.3 to 80.96. Never any kind of serious drawdown. 175.6 to 174. Another day right here, 177 to 175. Another day right there, 201.22, 201.22 to 199.8. So that was exactly about 1.5%. And this is how we are able to scale all of our prop firms and make those monthly 5-figure payouts just like I showed you. So this account, exactly the same as my social trader tool. So if I go to the overall, You can see the balance, 631,000. And once you guys join, you guys will be assigned a trading manager who will help you set everything up. You guys will also be able to go into our Telegram group chat and discuss with the other members as well. And one of our members just received a payout today. And it was actually from Alpha Capital, another leading prop firm in the industry. That was the only post that we had from today. We have hundreds of members in our community making consistent payouts. If you guys would also like to get funded, I showed you guys exactly how long it would actually take to pass both phases. And you can be a profitable trader in less than 1 single month. So this is the secret hack for all prop firms. And if you guys would also like to get started, you guys can go into our YouTube channel. Make sure you guys check out all of the previous videos. We make weekly update videos on all of our EAs. Drop us a like. Hit this link right here. Reach out to one of our members if you would also like to pass your FTMO prop firm challenge.